Okay, hi, hello, this is Katya Ahmed with you, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Now in this video I want to tell you about how to update the Gen 9 server, HP Proliant ML350. Now Gen 9 servers are something like this. The one that I have is something like this. HP Proliant. Okay, not DL. There's a one. This is DL, but I have not Gen. Well, it's Gen ML350. Please mind that drilling I can't select suitable time. Okay, this is Gen 9. This is the one I have. Okay, this is images. Okay, I have this one. Okay, this one you have. This is it open. Okay, this is when this cover in the front is open. You get it like this. Okay, just simply understand that this is my server. Now we're going to update it. Now to update it, you have to search for something HP SPP. Now when you search like this, you'll get the Gen 10. Okay, which is the newer version of the server, not in software and hardware version and hardware. Now once you click it, you'll get this, but I've downloaded it not by mistake. I did not know. I thought like Gen 10 pack would work with Gen 9. Since that there is another version, you have to click here on this line and select this is the last one. Okay, so this is to year 2020, month September. Okay, 09. Okay, so I've downloaded that. After downloading, I have to log in with your HP ID. Okay, so you log in with your HP ID, and like for Gen 10, they said that the update is for free. You don't have to be connected under warranty or registered under warranty, something like that. Okay. So anyway, now I've downloaded this 9.37. As you see, it's 9.37 gigabytes. It's too huge for people in the Middle East. Okay, because you have slow download speeds. And it's very expensive. Anyway, so this is the checksum of the file. Okay, which through it we verify that this file is verifies that the file has been correctly downloaded. Okay, so I click copy as if like you clicked Control C. I will go into any text editor. For example, I have Kate here. I will paste that, and I'll do SHA 256 on my Linux system of the file, so we can verify whether the file is correctly downloaded. I'm not sure this full stop is correct. Okay, no, this is not it. Okay, you have to press Control V because I click the middle button in Linux of the mouse, and it can paste to other stuff. So this is the number that's inside the copy. Okay, which is this one. Okay, but see there are 3 dots here, which means there is a remainder of the number. Okay, there's some rest of the number, I mean. Now you go to the where I downloaded the file. See, this is the previous one for Gen 10. Now we're gonna see the one for the Gen 9. So the file is this one. Okay, I take parts of it, and we'll do SHA 256. Okay, and some. Okay, this is the command. Press like this. Okay, no. I've added the word for it, Gen 9, something like this. Okay, so I can differentiate it between the other one, that the previous one was for Gen 10. Now, yeah. All we have to do is just wait until a number similar to this method, okay, this number and the file beside it. This is the checksum. So we're gonna get for this one, the Gen9 P35, etc. This one, okay, we're gonna get the checksum for it, and then we copy it and try to find it inside the editor. Okay, so the editor will highlight whether this number is the number. It's very important that we do this because it's a very long file. Okay, like you're talking about 9 gigabytes being downloaded from the internet. Okay, I don't have that fast internet also. Although I can reach like 1 megabyte per second, but it's still like as if you have 10 megabits. It's not that big. So this is the number. Okay, you can, for example, if you want, you can just see the first 3 numbers, the last 3 numbers, and you can match it, and that's it, because the rest in the middle will come through the algorithm of SHA. But here I copy it, okay, and then I press Ctrl F here and Ctrl V, and see it will highlight it. So if it highlights it all correctly, okay. So if I, for example, omit the 5, see, it will not highlight it. So it will highlight everything that's correct. Okay, matching. So it's completely matching. Okay, so the file has been downloaded correctly. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do is log into our ILO. Okay. Now I will have to go through administrator, and then I will have to pause because I don't want to show you the password. Okay, resuming the recording. I'm gonna select HTML5. I can use Java Web Start, but Java Web Start won't be, it's not suitable for Java versions after Java 8 or Java 8, yes. Okay, I cannot use Java 9 and above, okay, and the latest. So you can just simply use the HTML5, which is simpler. Okay, then this is my server. It's already on. The other server. This one is I have 2 servers, by the way. This is what I mean. Okay, so if you click here, click DVD, there's another line here in the bottom. Okay, local ISO. I click it. So I click the one for Gen9. I open it. Now it's as if that you have inserted your USB flash drive, but this is over the network. Okay, but there's no flash drive. It's just using your own computer desktop, and it will load it. That's it. So here I'm gonna send shutdown, restart. Okay, restart, yes. And we'll see. From there on, we have to wait. That's all. Just load the file from boot menu, and that's it. Okay. For any reason, one of my colleagues, like here in the where I work, there's a workshop. Okay, they might use drills stuff, so I can't do anything about it. I can't stop them because this is work. I'm gonna omit those squeaky sounds, noisy sounds of the drilling and the cutting of iron stuff like that. So we'll have to wait now. I'm gonna go into full screen. This one, full screen. Okay. If I have to exit the full screen, I have to press escape. Okay, and we'll have to wait here at the bottom for the boot menu button, okay, which is F11 as far as I remember. Okay. Okay. Now you will see that file, the ISO file that uploaded will show up. Now, yeah, this is F11. See, F11 here. Okay, we'll wait. We select the booting from the ILO. Okay. And this is the server's version. Okay. And as you see, you're seeing the post of the server. Okay, this is like usually when you use something like AnyDesk or TeamViewer, this won't help. You'll have to use ILO. Okay, so you can reach the BIOS. Okay, such stuff is not available on normal PCs. Okay, they're usually everyday computers. Even on laptops, you don't have. You can't see them. Okay, so this is the ILO virtual USB 2. I'm gonna take it. This is the HP ILO. Okay, I'm gonna boot it. Just use your keyboard arrows and to move the yellow highlighting and press enter. Okay, that's all. And to select the entry. Okay, now we're gonna press enter here for automatic firmware update. Okay, pressing enter. Don't have to wait those 10 seconds. Okay, and you'll see like this CD is more like a Linux distribution. It's a Red Hat distribution, by the way. So we'll have to mute the parts where the drilling comes in. Okay. So yeah, we're just waiting the distribution, this Linux distribution to load, okay, into the memory. Okay, it's copying the files from my computer. Okay, that's why it's taking too long. If it were from a direct USB file, it won't be that long. But this is more convenient, more easier. You don't have to get a USB drive, okay, and buy another USB disk, okay. Your computer is already there and your network is already there. Yeah, because this is, I think the norm, of course, this is a server. You should have a network. You can't go with a network without a server. I mean, you can't go without a network setup for a server, okay. Okay, now we're getting into the system, the update system. Just give it some moments. It's loading. So as long as you're seeing this is moving, then everything is fine. Okay. Here, whether you are using SSL for encryption, you know, and HTTPS. Okay. This is for screenshots. This screen capture. Okay. Working on it. Okay, now this is the actual work of the program. Okay. Those are the firmwares for the hard disks and the RAID array. Okay. Okay, seems that this should work. Okay, let's see in the deployment what it will update. Okay, now because it's updating the firmware of the ILO, now it's gonna close. Okay, we have to log in again, and as I told you, I have to hide the password. Okay. Okay, we're resuming the recording. Okay, now we can go to HTML5 again. And let's again. What has happened? Yeah, because of firmware upgrade, I have to wait. That's just closing. Okay. Yes, you can see here firmware flash progress. Okay, so I have to wait for the flash until it ends. Okay. Now this UID link, for your information, for those who don't know, you will see that on the back of your server there is a blue LED that's turned on, could be flashing. Okay, this is there. Yep, I think it starts. Okay, let's try again. Accessing the ILO. think it has started the server of ILO, web server of ILO. ILO is nothing but another computer that's embedded inside your server. Okay, more like the same system of your phone. Okay, now it's started. Yes. Okay, cool. We have to log in again. You're hearing now some kind of fan. Okay, you should be hearing a fan. Okay. Okay, cool. So we're gonna pause. Okay. We're resuming the recording. Let's see. They could start the drilling, so I have to stop or try to mute the microphone. Okay, now the deployment has completed. See what's next. We'll see what's next. The deployment has completed. Okay, and it updated all the parts. So again, we're updating this. You have updated the system. I think it is restarting. Okay. Yeah, because this is the power. Yeah, it's powered off. Now you're hearing the fans of the server. Okay, boom, you hear them. Okay. Now it's restarting and booting normally. See, it's not power off, it's power on. Okay. it did not update the BIOS as far as I can see. Still in 21/10/2019. Yeah, the date of the BIOS. We are at the end of year 2020. Yeah, see what will happen to the RAID. My worry is the RAID. Okay. Okay, now we're on. Okay. This is my Linux. Cool. Okay, let's see now the RAID, whether it has been read or not. Okay. Because I use the RAID separately, not for booting. Okay, blah. Network forgotten. Okay, and Galglia. Okay, all good, all good. Okay, those failed parts are not that thing I care about. Okay, and this is the system. Moments to come, and you'll see the Xorg. Okay, great, that's all, it's good. Okay, so yeah, that's it, we're done. Okay, so that's all, just waiting for the X server to load. Okay. The graphics system, I mean. And this is the mouse from my from the console. This is the internal one. See, you have two pointers. Okay, so the one that's following the first mouse. Okay, the internal one. This is on the server, and we're done. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.